Hi Bev, this is going to be for you to set up your conferences. Whenever you're ready to set up conferences, you just want to go to Create. You will just select Parent-Teacher Conference, location, usually just say Mrs. B's room, and this will look different for you because you don't have that, but on a calendar it will just show up on your calendar, on your regular class. So Parent-Teacher Conference, Miss B's room, Mrs. B's class. Now to add dates, our first conference night is February 22nd. Our next conference night is March 1st. And then at another date, our conference night after that is March 8th. All 3 nights have the same time for conferences. So down here, you're just going to scroll down to 3:30 to 7 o'clock. But I'm actually going to have my last one just go till 6:45. I'm just going to type 6:30 and then actually just type in 6:45. That way, if you're behind, you can actually get out of here at 7. If you want to break for lunch class, you could just do maybe like 5 to 5:15. I know Matt said we could take a 15-minute break or a half an hour. I wasn't sure. We'd have to check with him. Anyways, that will show up on every conference night. Time slot would be 15 minutes, and the break in between is 0 minutes. Yes, you want to keep signups private, and then you just press next. It'll show up with your slots. Just press next. And finally, you're going to send it out to all members of your class and hit done. I'm not going to hit done yet because I'm not ready to send out conference sign up yet. Hope this helps.